All right, so here's the answer to this challenge. Now, in order to solve this challenge, you have to remember that programmers don't memorize things. Instead, we always search for what it is that we need, and the skill is being able to apply it to your current problem. Good old Google, I'm going to start off by searching inside Google for what it is that I want, and it tends to be verb, object, and the programming language that I use. So in this case, I want to truncate a string using JavaScript. This is a good format to use whenever you're trying to solve problems. Don't have anything that's really specific in here. Say if I just said truncate string to 100 characters, then I would limit my search to only the people who explained how to truncate a string to 100 characters, right? Somebody might have wanted to do it for 20 characters or 5 characters. So don't have anything specific in there. Just have a verb, an object, and the programming language. And that tends to work pretty well. So let's explore the first answer. And it seems like this person also just wants to truncate something using pure JavaScript down to a set number of characters. Now, the first answer explains to you that you can use the substring method, and they very kindly link to the documentation. And you can see that here, if you have a variable that's say hello world, which is a string, then you can use the substring method on that string in order to cut it down. So in this case, if we're saying that we want to cut it down from 1 to 4, then remember that programming starts from 0. So we would take the first character of our hello world, so at this position, and then we would end at the 4th character. So if I now hit try it, you can see that I just get ELL space. And if I change this to say 0 and 3, then I will start from the beginning and I will only take the first 3 characters. So now if I hit run and hit try it, then I only get HEL. So let's apply this substring method to our code to make it do what we want. The part that we want to truncate is our post.content, and we want to do it inside our home.ejs, where we've got access to each and every post's content. Right at the end here, I'm going to tag on that method, substring, and then I need to specify a from and a to. So the from is going to be from the very beginning, so the 0th character. And the end is going to be at the 100th character, so 0, 100. And then at the end of all of this string, I'm going to append or add on to it space and then ... And this should indicate to the reader that this is truncated, and if they want to read more, then they have to click on something. So let's hit save. And when we head back to our home page and we hit refresh, then you should see that all of our blog posts are now truncated down to only 100 characters, and we just have that ... at the end to show that there's actually more. To complete this entire module, there is only one more challenge, so I'll see you over there.